Sige na. Ito ko sa kanila kung gano'n kakagaling dumede. Wala silang dumede. Hindi ko akalain. Samahan nyo kami, day 2 ng ating mga puppies. We're gonna start with mixed feeding. That means breast milk and bottle feeding because we notice hindi sila nag-gain ng weight. Nag-decide kami today after checking on their weight because they're losing weight, hindi sila nag-gain, that we're going to start mixed feeding them goat's milk na bottle fed at saka breast milk ni mommy. We would still want to keep breastfeeding the puppies as much as we can kung may milk naman si mommy. Pero ayaw din namin na sa huli kami maghabol. As early as now, gusto namin na kung hindi nag-gain ng weight, maabatan namin agad. Out of the 6 puppies, we're gonna mix feed 5 of them. Yung isa, we're going to stick to breastfeeding. Kay mommy, doggy siya mag-breastfeed, and yun yung pinanganak na water puppy. Yung, ito hanapin natin. Ito, si baby. Yan. We don't wanna introduce a lot of things to him kasi nga, medyo delikado, no, walrus pup. Although, nakabuti sa kanya na he lost weight because that's actually what we want, no? We want for him to flush out extra body water weight. So that's what's happening with him. We think it's a good thing for him. However, dangerous kasi when it continues to decrease yung weight nila. So we're gonna watch him closely. We're gonna keep him on breast milk. The rest of the 5 pups are gonna be mixed fed. Okay, so let's start. This is the first time we're going to mix feed this puppy. We're using goat's milk. Very little lang. But what I'm gonna do first is I'll weigh the puppy. Ito si Orange. We're gonna weigh him dito para makita natin, no? Yan. Baby, wag malikot. Wag malikot. Ayan, 303. So, let's see. Ang mga puppies, usually, pagka nag-start sila sa breastfeeding, they have a hard time starting with bottle feeding kasi hindi sila familiar, no? Pero, ito, very little lang na, very little lang na goat's milk para lang hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung pag-lose ng weight. We think hindi pa ganun kalakas yung milk ng dam. Kaya, bumababa yung weight nila. So, what we did the whole day ngayon is, mas tinagalan namin yung pag-breast milk, pagpapadede ni mommy. So, yung kamukha niyan. Nasa mid. Instead of, we added 5 more minutes sa breastfeeding. We started with 15 minutes and then we did 20 minutes. Pero we feel it's still not enough. So we're gonna try now and then see if this is gonna work. Onting-onti lang yung kailangan namin. Also, this is gonna buy us time, no? Para si mommy is not parang having a hard time keeping up with with breastfeeding. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lumalabas sa ilong ni Puppy. We don't want that to happen. So, we're gonna try again. Hindi siya dapat, malakas silang dumede, as in, but, yun nga, sobrang lakas humitit, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, lumalabas sa nose. We don't want that. I'm controlling the bottle So, yan. Dapat onti lang. And dapat wala siyang makuhang hangin. It should really just be milk. Pero sobrang lakas dumede. Okay. So, we'll see. Yan. No more nang... Ayan. I think I got it. Wala nang bula sa ilong. So, hindi masyadong mataas yung milk. Pantay lang sa bottle at sa ulo. At hindi rin nakatingala dapat yung puppy. Ayan. Kasi hindi nyo nakikita, no? So, pag ganito ba nakikita nyo? Ayan. And then, ang galing talaga siyang mag-latch. Hindi namin talaga problema yung pag-latch nila. Yung amount talaga ng milk, yung problema namin, yung nakukuha nila. So, 303 grams siya ngayon. Okay na siguro yun for now. Yung nadede niya. Now, when we start bottle feeding the puppy, this is when we have to make sure na binaburp sila. Kasi, yun nga. They're prone to be gassy when they're bottle fed. And minsan, ang gas sa tiyan ng puppy pag hindi nawala, it's very fatal. So, we need to make sure that they're burped. Yan. Kita niyo ba siya? Sana madinig niyo yung burp. Hopefully. Punas na yung mouth. We're gonna weigh the puppy again. Okay. Alright, so that's what we want, no? From 303, nag-gain siya. I'm sure he's gonna lose some of this weight again later kasi magpupupo, magwiwiwi, and then we're gonna feed again. Pero at least hindi siya, yung malulose niya is, babalik lang siya sa 303. Pop. Baby. Yan. So, papawiwi tayo. Uy, wala na kaming cotton. Wala tayong cotton nandun sa room. Ito muna for now. Wee, baby. Pupo. Pupo, please. Baby. Come, Pupo. Pupo, please. Also, gamitin ko na yung sample tong puppy na to, no? Wala na yung pusod. So, ang gagawin natin, lagyan natin ng betadine. Yan. Hindi pa nakita. Dito. Ang betadine, no? Parang Colgate sa toothpaste. So, ang gamit ko naman is generic na povidone iodine. Yan. Yun lang naman yung gagamitin natin. Pwede naman yun. So, kuha ko ng konting bulak because masyadong malaki yung nabigit ng bulak. We're gonna put some here. So, what we want right now is yan. Gamutin yung pusod, lalo na pag natanggal na, no? Because sometimes may tendency pa siya magdugo. And we don't want that to happen, na ma-infect. So, we're gonna put some betadine. And then, babaliktarin ko na lang para matuyo. Hindi kumalat. Okay. Yan. Pakita naman namin sa inyo yung ibang posibleng pwedeng ibigay sa dogs na food apart from beef, chicken, at meat. So, ito, yung bibigay namin today is fish. Raw fish. Ayaw na siya ni Vlad lutuin. Sabi niya parang mas maganda kung raw yung ibibigay niya. So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So, dry kibble pa rin, no? This is Vitality Value Meal. Lagi ko nalilimutan yung pangalan. Vitality Value Meal. Tapos may fish. Ayan, hinati ni Vlad. Ayan. Tigilan sila. Tig-tatlo. Yan. So, ito para kay Shabani. Ganyan. Kay Pearl at saka kay Taba. Tapos ito yung sa kennel sa likod. Tapos ito yung ulam namin. Yan. Yung iba, worried sila magbigay ng fish sa dogs, no? Pero actually, healthy para sa dogs yung fish. Omega-3 to para sa kanila. Para kanino to? Kay Shabani. Ah, sige. Mag-iwa-hiwalay sila kasi mag-aagawan. Sa Shabani, ito sa'yo. So, si Shabani, dahil nga napapayatan kami, no, sabi ni Vlad, papakainin niya ito ng twice a day. Lahat kasi ng dogs namin ngayon, once a day lang kumakain. Oops, andito si Shabs. Wait lang. Usad. Excuse me, Shabs.
Sa likod.
Ah, sige. So, ubos agad? Tinitingnan ko kung kinakain niya yung Wala namang hindi kinakain to no? O, Shabani, iwan na kita. Ay, nauna niya na maubos yung fish pala. In fairness, ang ganda ng poop nila sa value meal. Buo. Kung mapapansin nyo, may obsession kami sa pagtingin ng poop ng dogs namin, no? Kasi yun talaga yung isa sa mga indicator kung okay ba yung health ng dog. Pag pangit ang pupo, may problema. So, with value meal na Vitality Value Meal, okay yung poop nila. Unlike dun sa dati namin ginagamit na dog food. Mas mahal lang talaga siya. Pero, sa quality, kasi nga mas mahal. So, mas maganda. Yung poop ng dog namin, mas okay ngayon. Speaking of poop, eto yung mga puppies, nagpapa-bottle feed ulit ako ngayon. Kasi interval nga, no? Para si mommy makapag-store ng maraming milk pag pinadede sa kanya at mabusog yung mga puppies pag sa kanya nag-breastfeed. So, right now, eto yung mga hindi pa dumidede. Eto yung mga nakadede na. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, speaking of poop, eto yung itsura ng poop nila. This is a good sign. We want bird seeds na itsura ng poop pag mga puppies, lalo na kung nagbe-breast milk, tapos naka-mix feeding with bottle feeding. Okay na. Ayan, update kay Pearl, lalagyan pa rin ng gamot yung ears niya. Yung pa din ang gamit namin, yung stock at coconut oil. Nalinisan ni Daddy yung kanina. So, Nag-agwa-oxinada na sila. Ito na yung last part. Yung kanyang nostoc. Tapos, kinulong namin siya sandali doon. Pagtingin namin, may sugat na siya sa pisngi. Kinamot na niya. So, lalagyan ulit yung pisngi. Nakikita mo ba yung pisngi?
Hindi na. Meron eh.
Ayan, nakita ko na. Galing talaga ni Purper. Sa bahay namin, wala kang maririnig kundi pangalan ni Pearl. Pearl! No! Pearl! Outside! Pearl! Pearl Colette. Good girl! Good girl! Good girl. Basta.